Welcome to FestivalBazaar Vendor Tutorials. In this quick video, we'll show you how to activate your vendor account within the buyer account. So if you've created a buyer account, then you'll go ahead and create your vendor account by clicking this vendor tab. This will bring up our supplier form. So there's a few mandatory questions that you'll need to fill out marked by the asterisk. So what is your business name? What is your preferred contact method? Now, this isn't for orders. You will receive your order updates via email, the email that's connected to your account. This is more for if there's an error with your listings, how do you want to be contacted? Or if there's a site promo, how do you want to be contacted? So you can be contacted through Instagram DMs, emails, whatever it is your preferred method is. So business type, are you a retail business, a wholesale business, a service vendor, or a combination of the three? So this email address here will be used for PayPal and TransferWise payouts, or to be alerted that your check has been sent if you are a US vendor. Instagram handle. Let us know what your Instagram handle is, and we'll make sure to tag you in our stories when we share the new listings that you've created and that your tent is finally opened. All right, so once this is filled in, we'll hit save. Now you're ready to set up your vendor tent.